Namba ya maabithaa a ugima wa mwiri aria marwarite homa ya COVID-19 irathio na mbere na kuongerereka, undu uria ucungiriirie wagagu maya magiuka riri bururi uraingira ikireka-ini ria keri ria murimu uyu. Makiaria mari mwena wa Naikuru, maabithaa urigitani marauga bururi uri ugwati-ini munene na onao matire na munyaka kuna thirikari nene na iria cia matura citirarumbuia mirutire yao ya wira makiria muno gwakinya ni kuigitira murimu uyu.
The frontline healthcare workers are having to bear the burden as admission soar, more medical contact the virus, with some paying the ultimate price. As we speak, we have lost 2 clinical officers for the last 1 month, and over 310 clinical officers have been infected.
So we have come together in that spirit of comrades' power to ensure that we do not lose another medic from this COVID-19. I think by now, if you are in doubt, let me clear that doubt. We are in the second wave of COVID-19. We have seen world over that the second wave is actually worse than the first wave.
MATETA otamaya makiyumiria kaunti-ini ya Maabithaa kuria maabithaa matanyihiria 6 a urigitani makomete thibitari thutha wa kunyitwo ni murimu uyu mari wira-ini riri eri marikitie gukua.
Tungeomba kwamba serikali iweze kushughulikia wale wahudumu ambao wanafanya katika wards na outpatient, wawapatie vifaa ambao vinastahili kama masks kama za N95 ambazo zitaweza kuwazuia zaidi ili wasiweze kuathirika na ugonjwa wa corona.
Thengia ya kwaga matonyo ma wira nimamenereirie thirikari ya kaunti ni gucerithĩria mishahara yao makiuga matire marĩhwo mbeca cia mweri wa kenda.
Hili jambo la mshahara limekuwa too much, and we will want the county government to Mombasa actually to take it serious, especially the governor now, because tumejaribu kufanya mikutano na his people and we are not getting any solution. So we want this matter to be taken up by the county, meaning the governor of Mombasa County, so that we can get a solution, a long-term solution.
As long as the employer will not be able to pay salaries on time, then he should not be surprised to see healthcare workers downing their tools. It is that simple. Let the people be paid their salaries on time as required by law, and then let them expect the people to be working.
Maabithaa ya riu ni marutite mukana wa thikũ 7 makorwo makigamĩrwo yao thi makiuga mari ugwati-ini wa kunyitwo ni murimu wa corona.
Ikiwa wataweza kuwa wamelipa mshahara wa mwezi wa 10, tutapeana ilani kamili ya mgomo ambao sasa tutaweza kuparalyze services zote kwa upande wa Mombasa County.
Maya mokitio riri namba ya ikuna ya arwaru a murimu uyu guku bururi-ini ithiete na mbere na kuongerereka, thirikari igithie na mbere na kuhinyĩrĩria muingi guthingata mawatho maria magathĩkĩtwo nĩguo kũrigĩrĩria gũtherema makiria kwa murimu uyu. Ngĩribotera Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wang'ombe wa Maina.